Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can block someone in League of Legends. First, to block someone from your friends list, simply right click on their name and select block. After that, click on the block button and they'll be blocked. If you want to block someone from a previous match, start by going to your profile, then switch to the match history tab. Now find the game you played with the player you want to block and click on it. Right click on the player's name and choose block. Then click on the block button as before and they'll be blocked. You can also block people from the settings menu. Just click on the settings icon and switch to the Blocklist tab. On the box provided, type the player's name and their tagline. Next, simply click on block and then on the block button like we did earlier and they'll be blocked. So that's how you can block people on League. If this video helps you out, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.